Hey, fellow UGC creators, y'all. Liz, hey, Elizabeth. Y'all, Liz, she inspired me to go ahead and create some semi-pro photos, UGC photos at home, right here at my house. So I had a little fun doing that. So I'm going to show y'all right now just a little bit of footage for me doing that. And then I'll come back and show y'all in another video the outcome of those photos. They're just really simple. I actually use my phone in good lighting. You can do the same. Work with what you got. Y'all, I have a Pocket 2, a DJI Pocket 2. I have my phone. I have an iPad. I have a laptop. I have a Nikon. I have a Nikon or Nikon camera. I don't know exactly how you say it. But y'all feel me. I got a lot of equipment around here, around these parts, around yonder. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show y'all me getting these pictures done, making it do what it do right here in my living room. All right. Hope y'all enjoyed watching. I'm Chic. Follow me for more UGC content. And hopefully you like this video. Go ahead and show it a little bit of love. Follow your girl. And I do have a YouTube channel too. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey, I'm Chic. And don't forget to tap the alerts, okay? Because you don't want to miss nothing. All right? All right, child. Catch you later.